Hi there! Welcome to my animation tutorial. Did you know that you can have more than one animation in PowerPoint on the same object at the same time? This can let you create more sophisticated animation effects. In this video, I will show you how to create this move and fade animation. Go to the Animations tab. Select your object. Click the Fade Entrance effect. Change the duration to 0.25 seconds. Click the Add Animation button again. Under Motion Paths, click Lines. Click Effect Options and then click Reverse Path Direction. Change its start setting to With Previous and its duration to 0.5 seconds. Click the red start point on the motion path. Drag it straight up to shorten it. Click the Show Additional Effects Options arrow. Drag the smooth end slider all the way to the right. Here is our finished effect. You can see the stack of effects on an object by showing the animation pane. Now, I will show you some examples of other effects that you can create by stacking multiple animations on the same object. Here's a text object that has an exit fade effect stacked on top of a grow shrink emphasis effect. This is what the animation looks like. And finally, this rectangle has a basic zoom effect combined with a motion path. There are many other exciting animation effects that you can create. Thank you for watching my tutorial today.